Welcome to Littelfuse University. Electrical safety is a critical concern at Littelfuse, and for that reason, we encourage the use of touch-safe fuse holders, fuse covers, and our new line of touch-safe power distribution blocks. The Littelfuse POWR-BLOKS distribution blocks significantly improve the safety of panel boards and power installations by reducing the exposure of an electrical worker to live, energized surfaces. The Littelfuse GDB Series complements our existing family of power blocks, which consist of two product lines, the LD and LFD series distribution blocks and the LS and LFS series splicer blocks. Both offer a safe, convenient way of splicing cables while providing a fixed junction tap-off point for splitting primary power into secondary circuits. This provides users with a variety of options for inputs and outputs in critical installations. Before continuing, let's quickly clarify the difference between distribution and splicer blocks. A distribution block provides a means for terminating up to 12 load wires in a single point while being supplied by one or two line-side wires. By contrast, a splicer block provides a means for simply joining either one or two load wires with the same number of line wires. POWR-BLOKS global distribution blocks add safety and mounting versatility to our already strong line of distribution block solutions. Installation is quick and easy, as all blocks can be mounted on DIN rail or directly to the panel. This enhanced product line allows customers to reduce vendors, streamline procurement, and simplify logistics when designing and building their electrical equipment. Looking at the scope of product offering and variety of available configurations, the 600-volt rated GDB series blocks are offered in several amperage ratings, starting at 80 amperes. In addition, Littelfuse has more than 70 SKUs in our line of LD and LFD series distribution blocks and more than 40 LS and LF series splicer blocks. Both have amperage ratings ranging from 115 to 760 amperes. Clear plastic safety covers are available for many of the LD and LS series blocks. Covers provide protection against accidental shorting between poles caused by loose wires, tools, or other conductive material, while protecting personnel from accidentally contacting energized connectors. To order the protective covers, simply match the number of poles for the block to the corresponding cover. Hinged plastic safety covers are available for those blocks that offer an integral DIN rail mounting feature. These products are designated with a DIN at the end of their part number. So where are these power blocks used and in what target markets? Some of the most common applications include heating, air conditioning and refrigeration systems, elevator systems, material handling equipment, motor controls, switchgear, and anywhere power needs to be distributed to more than one load. The best target customers and markets include panel builders and OEMs involved with HVAC, refrigeration, food processing, and automation and motor controls. Let's go back and briefly review some of the features and technical specifications of power blocks. The GDB series features a space-saving design with an integrated touch-safe cover to increase safety. It is IP20 rated, which reduces the risk of contact, therefore eliminating the need for block or panel covers. It offers flexible mounting configurations, both directly into the panel or using convenient DIN rail mounting. These global distribution blocks are both UL recognized and IEC rated, thereby allowing users to truly meet global electrical standards. Like the LD and LS series, the GDB series blocks are environmentally friendly by being RoHS compliant. Littelfuse distribution and splicer blocks are designed using highly conductive tin-plated aluminum or copper and are both UL recognized and CSA certified. Before wrapping up, let's briefly address one of the most common questions asked by customers. How do I cross-reference a distribution or splicer block? The selection of power distribution blocks involves many variables, so there's not always a direct equivalent. Be sure that the block's ampacity and number of outputs are at least the same, if not greater, than the block currently being used. Typically, the best approach is to ask the following questions. How many inputs? How many outputs? What is the actual ampacity required for the application? Be sure to select a block that will most economically provide for the necessary inputs and outputs, keeping in mind any possible future expansion for the application. Do I need touch-safe? The answer here is certainly yes, if involving any application where a worker may have access to a live or energized electrical panel. Other factors to consider in the selection of distribution blocks are flammability rating, rated voltage, short circuit current rating, or SCCR, and wire size. These and other information are available on the product data sheets. As with all Littelfuse products, additional technical information is available on the web. For dimensions, line and load connection options, and CAD or 3D drawings of the POWR-BLOKS products, visit their corresponding web pages, or contact our technical hotline for more information. Thank you for your interest and for taking the time to review this 3-minute module. Please be sure to review the other training modules on Littelfuse University to learn more.